Welcome to St Daniel's Cathedral in the centre of Bangor. This is where Daniel, almost 1,500 years ago, established his monastic community, the original Bangor. Our cathedral has long been a place of prayer, beauty and holiness for the whole community. Over the next few months, St Daniel's Cathedral is going to be used as an NHS vaccination centre. Thousands of people will come here to play their part in keeping everybody safe. We need to get ourselves vaccinated, and everybody from across our community will be welcomed through these doors over the coming months. St Daniel's Cathedral is here for us all.